everyone! It's time for Marvin's updates on the market. But it's coming from him, not from me. Okay.
Hi guys, here's a quick update on the markets before we eat dinner. First of all, the markets are up. It's up above 7,800, which is very consistent with the previous videos that we've posted, that we've created. That number one, it broke out already from the downtrend. Number two, it stayed above 7,700. As I mentioned in the previous videos, now 7,700 is a very important support level. Going above 7,700 pushes the market higher and gives it a chance to go to around 8,100. But here's the thing, I won't be surprised if there will be some knee-jerk selling over the next few days, because there's also a resistance at around 7,880. However, it's not as strong as the resistance at 8,100, but nonetheless, there might be some selling that could possibly happen. So don't be surprised if the market doesn't go straight up to 8,100 because of the selling that possibly could happen at 7,880. However, if it goes above that level, it goes above 7,880, expect the market now to challenge 8,100. Now, here's the thing. A couple of the things that I've mentioned in the past videos are now starting to happen. Number one, foreigners have started to come in. Then, aside from foreigners starting to come in, volume has started to pick up and go higher. So this is giving legs to what's happening to the market. Today, the market closed at 9 billion value turnover, 3 billion of which was from Ayala Corp, which is also a large heavyweight in the PSEI. So you now have the market staying above 7,700. Above and beyond, it's staying above 7,700. You have foreigners coming in, and you also have a large volume and value turnover supporting all of these movements. Now, a couple of things that could pose possible risk from pushing higher. Here's the thing. Number one, inflation is still high. There's a projection that inflation may hit around 7.8% for July. Then also there's a possibility that interest rates will possibly go up 0.5 basis points. That means you will now have a 4% increase in interest rates, which will help address inflation. But aside from it addressing inflation, the underlying problem that I see there is, again, it will move money from the market into fixed funds, and then the dollar is still high, and then fuel costs are still relatively up as well. So you add that, plus a lot of the earnings that have been released are not so attractive as compared to what people are expecting. That's still a prevailing theme and trend there. Then you also have the trade war that's still pretty much, I guess, looming in the backdrop. So you put that all together, and you have this risk that could possibly prevent the markets from breaking past 8,100. However, here's another thing to consider. If the markets break past 8,100, which is, I believe, the strongest resistance, the market now suddenly turns from bearish to bullish. If you are a position trader, this is now a firmer conviction that we have fully reversed. I repeat, if you are a position trader, breakout from 8.1 will now give further conviction that the market has reversed already. If it goes above 8.1, you can come in and you can expect the market to go above that level. However, if it fails to go above 8.1, you are a quick trader. It's now time to take profits. I repeat, as the market pushes higher, it goes to around 8.1 and fails to break out 8.1, you're a quick trader. Take profits and sell, and the market could possibly consolidate in the near term for around 7.7 and 8.1 as well. We really need to break out of 8.1 for the market to have a firmer conviction that it has actually turned bullish. So that's it for now. Just a very quick update, but something very exciting, especially for people who have been hoping and wishing that the market would possibly go up for the short term. So this is very good. So all eyes are now at 8,100. So I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. It's time for me to eat dinner. See you all again soon.